Boss, what kind of excavator is this? This is a small excavator of the 8 model that has just been removed. Such a good one must be very expensive. This excavator only costs you $4,000 and can deliver it to your home with free shipping. In the rear, you are matched with a Manor 16 horsepower engine with cruise control, throttle minus style switches, mechanical operating systems, thickened and widened arms, and integrated laser cutting and molding. And now the bright disc is $4,000 to give you free shipping to your home. If you need it, type what I want in the comment area, and I'll contact you one by one. Thank you.